What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about the Paisley Blow Valve. If it's good, quality, price, all that stuff, etc. So a week ago, I kind of blew or broke my blow-off valve. So I went ahead and got this one because everywhere I looked, it was saying it's one of the best ones for the price, etc. And I don't know if a lot of you know, this is really my daily. It wasn't supposed to be a project car. My project car was a 350Z. Well, it still is. It just, I don't have the money to do what I want to do to it right now. And well, this one's kind of taking all my money now. As you see, it's gonna get painted, etc. I'm almost full ball tones. Probably gonna go on E85 and then tune it. I have a lot of things coming for this car, which wasn't supposed to be for this car, because again, it was my daily. But I just fell in love with it. It's a really great car. It looks mean as hell. It sounds mean as hell. It's amazing. But back to the subject. So I bought this little thing right here to replace the old one. The old one was like $300, so I kind of was, a little bit on the fence about this one. I didn't want to buy it, but it holds 150 horsepower. It actually holds 450 horsepower. My dumb ass got confused. Material, everything is pretty good. So it brings everything. It brings a line, which is really, really short, probably like 2 feet long. And it brings a gasket and the piece you have to weld into the pipe, which you are gonna have to weld it, or pay somebody to weld it. And then, I mean, on the instruction it tells you that it doesn't bring it and you have to buy it from G-Ready, but it really does bring it. I'm not sure why the instructions say that. And then all you gotta do is disconnect this and 2 bolts. Pretty simple. It's really not a hard install. You don't have to pay anybody for this. You can do it yourself. There's no point in paying anybody. So far, I like it. It's running well. Well, I don't think this has to do anything with the Genesis. I mean, with the blow-off valve, sorry. But it was pushing 21 PSI, and now it went down to 15 after I broke the last blow-off valve. I'm not really sure why is that. I don't think it's a tuning issue, because a blow-off valve pretty much releases all the air that it doesn't need. So I don't think that is the problem. So if anybody knows what it could be, just let me know. I think I have a vacuum leak. I'm not sure yet. By the way, guys, I'm sorry if I sound funny. It is really, really cold outside. I'm freezing and I have asthma. So sorry about that. But yeah, so we're gonna do a couple of sound clips and everything. Oh, and by the way, it was only like 60 bucks. So for the price and the material, like how well it's made, it's pretty good. I'm impressed with it. And I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy it. And let's do some sound clips. I'm gonna hit y'all with the co-star. If you guys daily your Genesis coupe, do not straight pipe it. You cannot hear yourself. And the co-star is ridiculous. The Genesis had this weird sound, like a ticking sound. I think it's the injectors. I'm not sure. The topping is just really, really bad on this car. It's like not performance-wise, but it's just really noisy. Here it is. No air is coming down or nothing. I mean, it's not in boost or anything. So, by the way, this is for the old ones. It's not connected to anything. I just gotta take it off. The previous owner put like 50 zip ties on it, so it's kind of a headache to take off. But let's do a couple sound clips just on the same spot, and then I'll do some rolling sound. Sometimes I can't even talk. Sorry about that. get some sound clips of the sound outside of the car, but it's really cold and I really don't have anybody to film it. So yeah, that's all you guys get. So yeah, that'll be it. I like it. I'll buy it again. It's not bad for the price. And again, this is my baby, so it doesn't have to hold 1,000 horsepower or whatnot. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna do a G-Force oil cooler install and review, etc. I didn't get to finish it because I did break the blow fall, so I was focusing more on the other thing. And on that video I did explain the car's gonna get painted soon, and I already got suspensions for it and wheels all coming. I'm gonna do reviews and installing all of them, so subscribe if you want to see more, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.